we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
We're staying in this room tonight. This is the room that we got, and again, this is off of Airbnb, and it's so cute. Got a little fireplace, very nicely themed. King size bed. Got a nice kitchenette. Love the parrot on the wall. Really good sized room, and then right here, got this nice walk-in shower with a little bit of a view. What's that?
Flex lock is the word play.
Oh, and we can get to the bikes. This is
Take a picture of your brand new coat on the logo side of the bike.
super cute. I know. I think we get paddle boards, babe. This is absolutely gorgeous. So we got a little fire pit. We can use paddle boards, or those are knee board or knee kayaks. Awesome little restaurant over here, and down the canal, right out on the water.
They have bikes too.
Nice. Oh, those look comfortable. Have a few beers back here. So the name of this place is called Latitude 26. It's in Bonita Springs, which is near Fort Myers. I found it on Airbnb, and it's like a boutique hotel. But look at the size of this. This thing is mammoth. Got some bikes. Be using this.
Is it on now?
Yeah, so let's see how it says it on the top.
Oh. Hey. We're going to the beach. We finally made it here. It's 7 o'clock. Good thing the sun's still up. What a beautiful Airbnb Donovan got for us. He's so sweet, but now the car is yelling at me, so I'm gonna go now.
Yeah, I want to stay here another night. If that's okay. Yeah. So we came out to the beach to see the sunset, and Fort Myers, you did not disappoint. I mean, you can see the sunset, the golden hour right now. so good right now. The lighting, the sunset. I'll put a little clip in here for you. I mean, there's a little sandbar out here. This is some of the nicest water I've been in. It's so warm. I love warm water, especially when it comes to like the ocean. The sunset's absolutely gorgeous. It's one of the best sunsets I've ever seen, and we like it so much. We got in really late tonight because traffic took so long from Orlando that I decided to get a hotel for tomorrow night. So we have to switch from our hotel that we're staying in tonight, which you'll see, to a different hotel, which is in like downtown Fort Myers, but that's okay. But it is. I bet. So good. We're gonna go grab some dinner at the restaurant next to our place and just sit out on the porch. Jen's having a good time.
What did you say?
Jen's having a good time.
Oh, great time.
Hey, I just want to show you something. Alright, we're gonna attempt these paddle boards. So we'll see. Gotta pick out your weapon. Do I want the green or do I want the black? Green doesn't have a handle. I guess it's gonna be black.
Woo!
Thanks, babe. Graceful. All right, my turn. It like went over with the baby crab. Alright. On a scale 1 to 10, how you doing right now? A 6? That's higher than I expected.
I want to stand up. Oh.
Babe, nope. Don't like that.
Move this foot forward. doubt me.
I'm not doubting you. Moving's fun. Because you get a lot of momentum going.
Hmm?
Am I doing it?
You want it?
Alright. I'm going in. Rude. Don't doubt me. I like this beach. This thing. I like this thing.
Yeah.
Turtles are nesting.
Huh?
Turtles are nesting. Oh, we can rent a jet ski?
Yeah.
Say what? in the ocean. We found ourselves on this sweet jet ski and some beach in Fort Myers. We just randomly pulled up and found a parking spot, and there were some jet skis. So we're out here in the middle of the ocean jet skiing. It's pretty sweet. We got about an hour, about 40 minutes left. Jen just drove. I'm gonna drive again. Having a good old time. There you go, Boone. We rode jet skis today. We're just chilling on the beach here. Got our American flag blanket, the Mickey bag, got our Yeti. Jen's just chilling, having some adult beverages. Have a good time. This thing is a dinosaur. Oh my goodness. comes up to my belly button. So tonight we're staying in kind of downtown Fort Myers area. Got a Best Western. It might be the best Western I've ever stayed in. I got 2 queens, nice little section here. But the star of the show is out here. Check this out. Yes. I guess this is their like sound, their lake, not their lake, the river. I don't know, but intercoastal. Yeah, I think that's about right. The coastal way. The beaches are over there. Oh, there's some fireworks. Far ahead. I don't know if those were fireworks. So as you can see, we stayed at the beach a little too long. Got a little burnt. Jen did too. I got more burnt than her, but it's okay. Whew. The legs got pretty red too. That's okay.